The next strategy is adding by place. So to perform the strategy, we're going to create an equation, and based on this story problem, it tells us that we're going to add. So adding by place means you're going to add by certain places in the number. So in pink, I'm going to highlight the tens place, and in blue, I will highlight the ones place. Adding by place, to do the strategy, they have to have really good number sense in the value of the numbers. And value is how much a place is worth or something is worth. So if you have 4 tens, really, if I drew a picture, the value of the 4 tens is actually 40. So adding by place, I'm going to add the tens place first. And the value of 2 tens is 20. Okay, so what I've added is added the tens place, and I have 60 as the sum. My next step is to add the ones place. I have 2 singles plus 6 singles equals 8. So I've added the tens, I've added the ones, and now it's time to add those 2 places together. So I will add 60 plus 8 equals 68. And that's how you add by place.